When you open the Pencil Lab application, you will have a default text on the drawing area. That is new text. Let's delete it by going to the top part of the application. You will find the delete icon just down the plus button. Press on the delete button, then you confirm by clicking on OK. So you will have your drawing area to be empty. Just below the drawing area, you will find predefined templates. That's the default template which comes with the text. So when you press on it, it will come with the text. And before that, it will ask you, are you sure you want to open the project? You say OK. The next one, it will give you another template. So you can easily design your simple text on this template. The next one gives you another template for you to design. So these are projects that are already designed by the creators of this application. So you can just go through them. So this is another project. Possibly we can just do some editing on the text by double clicking on the text. Then you delete and just type Ghana most beautiful. Then you say OK. So you press and hold on the middle and drag and position it. Then the new text, you double click and delete it. So you say winner. That's okay. So that's a very simple project we have just done. Good. So now let's go back and press on the default project. Then you press OK. Delete the default text by pressing on the delete icon on top. Now we are going to insert a shape. So let's go to the top part, left hand side. You will find the plus sign. Press on the plus sign, select shapes. So after selecting shapes, it will put a square on your drawing area, but we are not looking for the square. So I will come down to the selection of shape option. That is a small arrow pointing down. Press on the small arrow pointing down. It will display more shapes for you. So I want to select a circle. So I will click on the circle. So after selecting the circle, you can make some changes on it from here. So when you scroll down, you find all the options here. So scroll down, you see opacity. Opacity talks about the level of transparency. So you either use the minus sign or plus sign to decrease or increase it, or you hold and drag from the top to down whilst the percentage is being reduced. So you see, so this is how it works. Then we have color. You can select a color you want, or you select gradient color. Gradient color means more than one color. That is 2 or more colors. So predefined gradients can be found here. So you see, These are predefined gradient colors. So I will select this color. Then we have stroke. We have stroke. You can increase the stroke, that is the border around the circle. You can increase it. So you can also reduce the opacity of it. You see that? So let's bring it back to 100%. Then the stroke color. You can change the stroke color. You can change the stroke color. Then we have blend use. You see that? This is how it will appear when you blur the radius of the border. So these are the changes or effects we can put on a shape. The stroke has a gradient. You can also put a gradient color on it if you want. So let me select this. Nah, it's not beautiful. Okay, this is good. So after you are done, on your right hand side you will find a correct sign and then a close button, that is the X. The correct sign you accept. So when you press on it, it means that you want to accept the changes. So great. So this is how you can apply color on shapes and then borders.